He ain't got nowhere it popped off at. Widen the screen. Gotta widen the screen. Oh, there it is. That's where it popped off from. Whoa. But the one that lightning struck is still hanging. The one that lightning struck a couple of years back, that's still hanging. But that's where it popped off at. Phew. That was way up there. I'm thinking the one that when I heard it, I was in the den. Almost asleep, watching something on YouTube Ministry. And I heard phew, this serious pop. Phew, come down. And that's the one struck by lightning. So it was two branches. Two branches got popped off by the storm. Ooh, grateful it didn't hit the house. Thank you, Most High. Thank you, Most High. Thank you. Two places. Two places, right there together. Let me take it down a little bit. So you can see it. Two places right together. You can see the fresh pop. You can see it where it freshly popped. Two places. Glory to his name. Glory to the Most High. Keeping us in this hour. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. It did very minimum damage. This is probably, my gardener is going to charge us $20. It's really more than that, but because he's already getting paid to cut the grass.